Go.
Yes.
That. Let me speak. That's Roop. He pretending that he's ice crusher. Okay, go, Roop.
Hi everybody. My name is Ruth, and I'm here for the expedition. And it's my actually first time here in Greenland, and really it's wonderful, amazing, everything. You know. So today.
Hey, eat ice. Too much talking, my friend.
Just no, don't panic, my friend.
All right, cut.
My friend, hey, get away. Okay, this is ice.
Okay.
Which is just 5
Speak
minutes ago.
Chinese, my friend.
5 minutes ago, I picked up.
Come, let's go.
What is the
Come with me.
ingredients of this
Let's go to the medical center. Maybe something happened.
Let me see.
How
Let me
does it
see.
taste?
There you go.
Making.
Wow,
It's popping.
Oh shit.
very good, my friend.
We're gonna send it to funniest movie.
Stop.
Stop.